My name is Randy Ellis. In this set of sessions, what we'll do is we'll review the prerequisites for our course on linear data analysis. So what we'll do is we're going to assume that you know some basic linear algebra, and you've probably been taught it from a mathematical point of view. What we want to do here is we want to go through this material again, but from a computational point of view. And the idea is that the axioms that you were taught in the mathematical point of view, we're going to give an interpretation, which is we're going to make these concrete and computable. The main concepts in these sessions are, we'll go through what is a vector, where do vectors live, which is a vector space. We'll look at linear maps, which is how to go between these vector spaces. We'll look at how to represent a vector space using basis vectors. Some of the special types of linear maps or square matrices are important from prerequisite material and for our course in linear data analysis. And we'll also review a little bit about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So let's get to work.